Hey guys, despite the fact that I managed to fail to make it awake for the Guitar Builders Collective weekly live stream last week, it was a crying shame because we were talking about indispensable cheap tools, things that you just have to have, the essentials. And I got some good ones, so stick around, we're going to talk about that. Okay, when you say indispensable tools, you just can't live without. You know, you're probably thinking bandsaw, your Lee Nielsen low-angle block plane, shit like that. No, we're talking absolute essentials. Really, since before I was even building guitars, just doing anything in the shop, this little sanding block, this foam sander, is I couldn't live without this thing. It's like $8 at Walmart. It's great for all kinds of wonderful things when it comes to sanding. A white eraser, I can't live without it, and neither can you. A good mechanical pencil. This is a bad mechanical pencil, but it's a mechanical pencil. Any writing utensil you use, realistically, the line that it makes is a mile wide when it comes to really trying to be, precise. But at least with this, it's consistent, so you can get to a point where you can, kind of mitigate or compensate for that when, it's going to be the same every time. An X-Acto blade. You have to have one of these. You just have to. Scotch tape. I use Scotch tape on a lot of things. Masking tape as well. Those two are absolutely essential tools. As is super glue. An awl. I defy you to survive without an awl. And if you can survive, then it's like a vampire eating rats. You're subsisting on the wrong things. All right. Everything else, it basically comes down to measurement tools. Some type of a square, absolutely essential. While calipers aren't exactly essential, they sure make life a lot easier. A flexible metal ruler that's cork back, I don't know how I ever lived without one. That one is only 18 inches long. I have another ruler, though it's not cork back, it's 36 inches. There are times when I need that, especially doing full-scale drawings. And then some kind of a protractor, even though this is like the worst possible option and it's starting to fall apart. But it's really essential, for angles, but as well as being able to find square, on a flat surface. There you go. That's my picks for the absolutely essential tools that I have to have right here all the time. And anytime any one of those is not there, I'm cussing. Like, where the is my... Yeah, so there you go. My picks. If you got some things in mind that you don't think I mentioned, put them in the comments, because you guys can usually come up with some good ideas that I don't. Meanwhile, make sure you tune in to the GBC weekly live stream. I'll try to put times in the description because I can't remember. I know for me in the States, Central Time, it's 7 a.m. So I can't even piece together what it is in East Coast and West Coast. But Aaron is in Australia and Daniel is in the UK. So one of them's on like their lunch break, and one of them is about to go to bed, and I'm getting up too early in the morning. So it's a stretch for everybody. But if you can make the live stream, absolutely do it and chat with us and have some fun. If not, at least watch it after the fact. It's good times. Thanks for swinging by.